All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I am going to, before we get started, can you give me a like down there? Thanks a lot. I am going to show you how to turn off and on the traction control, okay? My car is currently in the parked position, as you can see. Car is parked, and I'm going to turn off and on the traction control. I'm just going to show you where it's at, okay? So, I'm down here, I'm like looking, and there it is right here. There is the button. I press it and the traction control is off. Press it and it is on. And how can you tell? Okay, how can you tell traction control is on and off even though you press it? You look on the dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna get closer, right? I'm gonna press it and you see that little squiggly line right there? It shows the traction control is off. Now if I press it again, it is on. It should be natively on, but for some reason you may have had it off or you may have bumped it. That's how you turn it on and off. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.